Rainy season come in Bangladesh. This is rainy season. Heavy rainfall in Bangladesh and Asian countries. You can see the rainy season is coming and it is now continuing in Asian countries just like India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan and other countries. There are a lot of workers are now still waiting for when the rain stopped and when the rain totally stopped. But then you can see the little boys are now waiting and they cannot going their market due to rain. It is a very annoying and very disturbing situations for the people. You can see my visitings in Asian countries are now in Indian, besides Indian, and this is Bangladesh, and there are muddy roads. You can see all time the roads are not very good situation. It is now very much. You can see stop now. The rain stopped and the whole day it became rain because there are the sky is cloudy and this rainy monsoon season. This is this time of monsoon, and everywhere in Bangladesh, India and Pakistan, Sri Lanka, the heavy rainfall occurred during 1 month, and there are no reason to stop this rain because 3 months due to rain. This is monsoon in Bangladesh, Nepal, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. Then little boys are now buying this football and they played football in this field, nearby field, and there are lot of numbers. You can see the vehicles. What kinds of vehicles are street in Bangladesh? What kinds of passengers travels vehicles and passengers public transport. This is public transport, and the rain come again. The rain come again in full speed. You can see this is the Messi football and others football, dear football and others naming football in now in. You can see this rain come again and it occurred at a full speed. Many van vehicles, which passenger vehicles are now in their garage. The van driver cannot play their vehicles and they cannot going to roads because of the rain and heavy rainfall. So you can see the little boy in Asian countries. You can see this is the situation of Bangladesh and India. And I cannot tell you the details because no sound is clear now. A big hole in middle of the road, and there is no scope to go or run transport or any kinds of vehicles in this road. This is muddy, very muddy and very much.
If you like to see Asian countries video in my channel,
Oh,
please
no.
like, share and comment and stay with us. We travel a month, whole month in Asian countries. Thank you very much.